how to show different category in reminders widget on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. For example, all, today, schedule, important, place, and no alert. First, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Now on your home screen, if you haven't already have a widget display, you can do so by simply touch and hold. Then tap on widgets. Now scroll down and tap on reminder. And then simply just drag the category widget to your home screen and place it there. So here is an example, and we can resize the widget. And then to select a different category, simply touch on this drop down right here at the top. And in the select category page, you can choose to show only today reminders, or schedule, or only important one. So let's select today. So for today I have nothing, so I can add in a new reminder. Buy milk later on. Okay, so buy milk, and time, let's just say 3 p.m. and that's it. So we got that coming up soon. Now while in here, we can resize the widget as well, because we have a fairly short list, so we don't need the widget to display on the whole screen. And that's it. So that's today's reminder. We can select to show all, only schedule reminder. So this one here is not scheduled, so that's why it's only showing in upcoming reminders. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.